Hi and welcome to the first DesignScript tutorial video. Today what we're going to do is create a surface and create a bunch of shading devices upon that surface using the replication feature of DesignScript. So, first of all, let's do the initial setup. Here you can see we're importing the standard libraries for the geometry and for maths. Creating a coordinate system. Creating a pair of points. Creating another pair of points. Creating lines associated with the first pair of points and the second pair of points that we will then sweep through. And here you can see creating the surface by sweeping from one line to the other. Here you can see us using Autodesk's View Cube to rotate the display. Now what we are doing is creating a number of points at parameters upon the surface. By default, you will notice these are created in a zipped configuration, with one point being taken from U and a corresponding point being taken from V. However, if we add replication guides to the arguments passed to the point at parameter, we can see that the Cartesian product is computed instead. This means that for every point taken from U, all of the points from V are considered. This results in the grid display that you can see in the AutoCAD window. Now what we will do is define three functions. The first computes the midpoint of 2 points. The second computes the projection of a point onto the surface. And the third forms a surface from 3 points. What we will now do is create a class. This is a logical entity that represents a single shading device. As you can see here, we are creating a constructor. This is like a function that's used to create a new instance of the class. Here we can use the functions that we defined above. And with a few small changes, we can create multiple surfaces that represent a simple shading device. First of all, let's create one shading device on the surface, just to test everything is working. Here you can see that single shading device, and again we can rotate and manipulate the view using the View Cube. If, however, we create shading devices using replication as before, we can simply cover the whole surface with these shading devices. This is again a zipped product. And this is a Cartesian product. This video has shown the simple use of two functions and replication guides in order to control the zipped versus Cartesian behavior of expanding a number of points or a number of shading devices across a grid. Thanks for watching.